In the year 2023, in the month of September, I made over 600,000 naira. And at that time, it was about $800 thereabout. And how I did that, it was by teaching a group of people data analysis with Python. I know how landing your first job can be. I've been there and it's tough. I'm not going to lie to you, it is really tough out there because there are a lot of professionals like yourself out there. But here is the thing, while waiting for your first data job, your first big million paying job, there are other ways you can make money as a data analyst. Here are 4 ideas to get you started. So you can start by teaching what you know. There are a lot of people who do not have the skills, the knowledge that you have. You can teach these things that you've learned, the skills that are important in the data industry to people who need them to advance in their career at a cost, of course. Another way is by helping students out with their data analytics projects. Let me tell you something. There is a lot of money a year. So especially international students who need guidance, because these are the people that can pay you a lot of money. Another way is by creating digital products. You can create ebooks or tutorial videos and sell them to people who need them. When it comes to teaching, there are 2 ways. So we have the one-on-one where you are there, you are teaching these people one-on-one and they ask their questions, you answer. Then we have the digital way or the self-paced way where you create these videos for them. They watch it, they learn. If they have any questions, they can reach out to you if of course it's part of the service you're offering. Another way to make money as a data analyst is by offering consulting services. There are a lot of businesses, a lot of people who don't know how to go about data analysis, who don't know how to go about analyzing their business data, and they will need a consultant for that. That is where you come in. So you can guide them on what they need to do to get useful information from their data. Now, here's something very important that you need to know. You can't just do all of these things without first building trust. If people don't trust your expertise, they will not pay for your services. How can you build this trust we are talking about? You have to show, don't just tell. So you can create free content like short tutorials, detailed guides, and share them consistently with your audience. This builds credibility and, of course, will lead the right people to you. See, you do not have to be perfect. Nobody is. What matters is that you are organized and that you deliver quality results. There was a time I was shielded away from teaching because I felt I wasn't expert enough. Here is what I have learned so far. Teaching other people not only helps you grow, it also deepens your skill. So it's a win-win. You're teaching people, you are deepening your skill, your knowledge, and you're also getting paid in return. Fantastic. Here are some tips for when you decide to start monetizing your data skills. The first tip that I have for you is doing your research. So do your research on this particular service that you are offering so that you do not undersell yourself. When you're just starting out, you might feel like you're not expert enough, so therefore you shouldn't charge that high. So make sure you do your research. If you are good and you're sure that the service that you're going to deliver is quality, another very important tip that I have for you is to avoid working for free. Early in my journey, I used to take on free gigs, hoping they will lead to better opportunities. Do not make the same mistakes that I made. Only work for free if you genuinely want to, not because someone is telling you, do this for me for free, I'm going to refer you, or do this for me for free, you are going to gain more experience. A lot of people pry on that naiveness of beginners. So they'll make you feel like they are the ones doing you a favor. But when you look at it, correctly, you are actually doing them a favor. You are helping them out with their work. So they need to pay you for that. Only work for free if you genuinely want to and you want nothing in return. I cannot emphasize on this enough. Please avoid working for free and only do so if that is what you want. Don't let anybody force you. So the last tip that I have for you for when you decide to start monetizing your data skills is to charge in foreign currencies. Charging in foreign currencies like the US dollars, which is a very strong currency. It is actually a universal currency. Everyone knows the US dollars. It helps to simplify the negotiation process and also helps you earn more. But if you're serving local clients, you can just stick to your local currency. There's no need to charge your local clients in foreign currency. But then again, charging in foreign currency will help you earn more money. So there you have it. These are the ways you can monetize your data skills while you wait for your first big paying data job. I have a video coming up soon where I'll talk about how you can find clients for your data skills. Now I'll be sharing all the tips that have worked for me and can also work for you. Thank you for sticking with me. Until next time, bye.